DJ Envy. Now, shout out to Real Estate Heat TV. They got the hottest new real estate channel. Shout out to my man, real estate coach AnThony Legins and coach Armond Wright. They bring the heat with the latest strategies and techniques to take you to the next level. So make sure you subscribe now, right?
Hey, welcome to another episode of the Armond and AnThony Show. I am your co-host, AnThony Legins. Got my man, Mr. Armond Wright in the house.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah, man, we feeling great today, man. My day started off crazy, though, y'all. I was working on these files for the videos and putting it together, and man, my computer crashed.
Wow.
Crashed.
Man.
At like 6 this morning, I was like, oh, man. But you know, we still got to bring the heat to you, though. We can't let them type of things set us back, man. You know, we got to just keep it moving. You know what I'm saying, Brother Armond?
Yes, sir. We got to keep bringing that heat.
Man, don't stop, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What we going to talk about today, brother?
Man, we going to talk about real estate, using real estate to finance your passion. So say, for example, you passionate about being, I'm just going to use an example because I'm a big basketball fan. You passionate about being a basketball coach, and you know the basketball coach's salary just doesn't make enough money for it to make sense for you to leave your current position. So you can use real estate, flipping some real estate on the side in order to make up that income, so you can follow your passion as a basketball coach.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. You know, real estate is a great opportunity. It's a great skill to have in your tool set. You know, Armond and I were talking about this before the show because not everybody wants to do real estate as a full-time career like Armond and I do, you know, and that might make you want to just pass on even doing it or learning it at all. But, you know, you have to have the mindset of that, hey, this is a skill, just like learning a trade or, you know, learning how to use a computer program or doing some things. I mean, it's a little bit more to it, but I'm just saying that it's something very useful that you can use to then earn the money that you need to start your dream business and to fund your passion, whatever that may be. You might be trying to, you know, get some money so that you can go into the studio and record your next hit, you know what I'm saying? Or you're trying to, you know, write a book, or, you know, you're trying to open a bakery.
Yes.
You know, there's a lot of things, and, you know, real estate can help provide you with the money that you need to be able to fund those type of things. And that's what we want to talk about today, you know?
Absolutely. I mean, the real estate business can do a lot of different things. So say, for example, with me, you know, as you have your kids, you're dealing with your kids when you get younger, but then as they get older, you know, they gain their own independence. They kind of go their way. You stay in touch, but, you know, they kind of go their way. But what's a better way if you had a vehicle where your kids when they're younger all the way up until adult, where y'all can still keep that tight bond, making money together at the same time, creating a generational wealth, creating a generational skill.
Hey, if you didn't catch that video with Armond and his daughter and granddaughter, man, that's 3 generations.
It's a
You
beautiful.
know what I'm saying? His daughter, man, is out here, Wright. She's out here successful, man. You know what I'm saying? Close to 100 deals, man. You know,
Yes.
Already has her daughter with an LLC, man, 4 months old, man. You know, so it's real, man. You know what we're teaching is real principles, man. And you know, our mind right here is putting them into practice.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, definitely. I'm teaching my kids. My kids right now, they a little younger, so they're not, you know, that interested in the real estate yet, but they're gonna get there, you know.
Absolutely.
Get my son there, you know, he's 13 right now, you know. We're gonna get them together, you know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
But this is definitely about you guys today, though. You know, this is all about you, and you know, we definitely, you know, before we even keep going, we definitely, without a doubt, want to thank you so much
Yes.
For tuning in, for subscribing, for viewing our videos. We hope that we provided some very useful knowledge, to you, and that you can take it and apply it practically. You know what I'm saying? So I want to give a shout out to my boy, Marv Wheeler, Wall Street Marv's, Bryce Jasean, Beauty Salon, Barbershop.
Yes.
In Redford, shout out, man. I hope you get it together, my brother. I'm sorry that happened to you, man. Much love, man. You doing it big, man. You took it from cutting hair in somebody else's shop to branching out and getting your own thing going on, man. Proud of you. Much love to you, brother. It's gonna be all right.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I wanted to share with you guys an example of it. Like some people believe that you need to have a lot of extra money in order to get started.
Right.
It's a local investor. I mean, it's just an amazing story. I offered him, opportunity to come onto the show, but he's kind of, camera shy and whatnot. But it's a really amazing story. This guy, he's retiring at the end of February.
Okay.
And he works at White Castle.
Oh.
He's been working at White Castle for 50 years.
50 years. Wow.
50 years, yes. Wow. And he flips houses on the side. I'm like, hang in this White Castle for so long. But he's going to be retiring, like I say. So, obviously, people working at nothing knocking White Castle, nothing like that. But obviously, if you're working at White Castle, you're not going to have like the real, lavish life. He works not in management or nothing like that. He works on the, frontline worker at White Castle, So he has, he's got enough money on the side where he says that he stays in a nice area. He's got a beautiful home. And the first thing he said he's going to do when he retires is buy himself a Mercedes Benz. So
yes,
the guy,
there it is.
Yes, sir. Yeah, the guy does very, very well working at White Castle and flipping houses on the side. This is a very valuable skill. Now, I mean, if you learn it, you can make it a career, or you can just use it to make some extra money on the side. You don't have to do it on a full-time basis if you don't want to.
Trying to tell you, gives you options. It gives you options.
Absolutely.
And Armond and I can definitely show you how you can get started, because, you can learn how to get started by putting in, you're going to have to put in some time to learn some things and to understand some things. But, it's time that you're investing in yourself. You got to think of it and understand that you're truly investing in yourself. And investing, you are your greatest asset. I hope you really know that. You are your greatest asset. So you should really want to invest in yourself, to improve yourself, to increase your knowledge, to find new ways to make money. You know what I'm saying? We all stressed out here, right now with the COVID-19 situation. Things are real out here, and people are trying to figure out how they can earn some money. This is it. You contact Armond and I, and we can show you step by step how you can begin to start making some money very soon, probably a lot sooner than you think. Absolutely. And really starting from where you're at right now, because that's the only place you can start from is where you're at right now. We all had to just, you have your goal and your vision of where you want to go, but you can only start where you're at right now. So we could take you from where you at right now, your unique situation, because we're very experienced in dealing with people in all types of various unique situations. Right. So we'll come up with a plan that's tailor-made and suited for you to be the most successful with the skill set that you presently have. And then also that will help you to, get that money, so you don't have to, you don't even have to really even worry about if your credit is messed up or not, with real estate, believe it or not. Armond can go on and tell them a little bit about that, Armond.
Yeah, like say if you have bruised or damaged credit. I mean, I went through back in 08, a little bit prior to 08. I had, several different places. Credit was A1, which allowed me to get a lot of places. But after 08, credit was AF or FU.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it was terrible, right?
It was bad. It was bad. It was pretty rough. So one of my strategies, like the lease options, land contracts, that allowed me to to get back in the game. And it's doing that over several years, able to balance things out, straighten the credit out, and whatnot. But one thing, what we were talking about as far as the credit, so you don't need good credit to get started. But obviously, once you get into the game, you start making the money, you want to straighten your credit out. Credit is important.
Oh yeah, well yeah, credit is important, definitely.
Right.
But right, go ahead.
And then another thing too is like as far as having a whole lot of money to get started, is ways to access the money, and we go show you different ways to go about acquiring money in order to do deals. So that's the thing. Even wherever you at, whether you an experienced investor or you a newbie, just imagine if you had, say, $100,000. If you just imagine if you had, say, we're gonna up it. Say you have $1 million. You brand, you don't know much about real estate, but if you can access $1 million.
Woo, I get excited when you say $1 million. $1 million.
I mean, right. If you can access that cash,
yes, sir,
you can figure out a way to make that work, make it make sense. But the thing is that you got to get the knowledge. You get the knowledge so you can get the bag. You know what I mean? So that's why you need to get with a mentor so they can kind of show you how to go about doing the business so you can get to the money. It's multiple different ways you can do it. One, even to add a little meat to it, just a little bit of one little technique, this little sneak preview. We giving them a sneak preview because we got something going down soon. Something's going down. What we got going down, brother Ant?
Oh man,
what's going down?
What we got going, man? Oh man, you got to join us, man, on March 5th. It's going down. It's going down, man. We're doing a live real estate training event, man.
Yes.
Oh, it's going to be off the chain, man. And we're going to teach you some real things that you can walk away with from that event and start putting into practice now. Even if we don't coach or train you, if you come, make sure that you got you a pen and some paper, because you're going to definitely want to take some notes.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? This is going to be a live session. We're not even going to probably not even going to rebroadcast it. Like, it's going to be like, if you were there, you were there. If you missed it, catch us at the next one, because, this is going to be some very valuable information. You know what I'm saying? So you definitely going to want to pay attention. I mean, we're going to drop it. We're going to show you exactly what you need to do. Come join us. It's going to be fantastic. We'll post the date and time and the links and everything in our next broadcast after this show. So you want to definitely stay tuned, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Follow us, all of that, so that you do not miss this event. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be hot. We bring that heat, baby.
That real estate heat. TV,
you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it's going to be live. It's going to be live. We're going to have some, we got some very special things planned for you. You know what I'm saying? So, out here, brother Armond.
All right, make sure you guys subscribe, man. Make sure you subscribe. But we want to take it one step further, because we're trying to get this out here so we can help as many people as possible. So not only subscribe, we want you to share it to your friends, post it on your Facebook, post it on your LinkedIn. We want to circulate this, put it out there as many people as possible, because our goal is to help as many people as possible. So if you find this helpful, drop some comments down below. If you got some questions, something that you want us to share on the next show or upcoming shows, just type it down in the comments, and I promise you we're gonna get right back with you. And if you want some help, hey, give us a call. You can call either me or Anthony, or call us both up on the three-way. We can help you out.
All right. Hey man, this is the Anthony and Armond show.
Yes.
Co-host Anthony Legins, my man, Mr. Armond Wright, and we out.
We out.
there's a YouTube channel you will want to subscribe to, Real Estate Heat TV. Real Estate Heat TV is destined to be the hottest new real estate channel around. They provide original content and shows in an innovative, creative, entertaining, and educating way. The concept is to provide a supreme platform for other real estate related channels and businesses to promote their respective businesses while providing the heat by sharing their knowledge, wisdom, and their expertise. Coaches Armond and AnThony bring the latest heat from the streets in the real estate industry, covering a broad and diverse range of topics, all geared towards helping you gain entry and have sustainable success in real estate. Real Estate Heat TV, the hottest new real estate channel. Check it out online at realestateheat.tv or on YouTube at Real Estate Heat TV. Share the channel on all of your social media so your friends can subscribe too. What are you waiting for? realestateheat.tv and Real Estate Heat TV on YouTube. Subscribe now.